Hi, welcome back to the class. I'm in Indonesian language and culture class, and today's topic is the prefix ber. I'm guessing you know the functions of the prefix ber is to contain, to have, to wear, and to use. And in this video, let me give you the other functions of the prefix ber. The prefix ber is attached to the root words to express mutual activities. For examples, saya dan adik saya sedang berdiskusi tentang liburan kami. Saya dan adik saya sedang berdiskusi tentang liburan kami. Kami berkunjung ke rumah nenek sekali setahun. Kami berkunjung ke rumah nenek sekali setahun. The prefix ber is attached to the root words to explain multiple times or to show duration or length. For examples, saya mengenalnya sudah bertahun-tahun. Saya mengenalnya sudah bertahun-tahun. Dia belum pulang selama berhari-hari. Dia belum pulang selama berhari-hari. Saya sudah menunggu selama berjam-jam. Saya sudah menunggu selama berjam-jam. The prefix ber is also attached to cardinal numbers to refer to a group. For examples, kami berdua suka menonton film. Kami berdua suka menonton film. Mereka bertiga selalu datang bersama. Mereka bertiga selalu datang bersama. I think that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video helpful for your study, I mean your Indonesian study, all you can do to support our channel is to click the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Terima kasih banyak, sampai jumpa.